One more function we have is distinct count no blank. So very clearly the name is saying that this function counts the distinct value, but it will not consider blanks, right? So the same counts a number of distinct values in a column. Syntax is distinct count no blank, and inside a parameter we have a column name, right? This is a column name that contains values that are to be counted. It returns the distinct values in a column, the number of that, and it does not count blank values. So, as in the previous function, distinct count, so we were sure that we don't have any blank into our column, so we used distinct count function. But now I have a column and I am not sure whether I have blank values into that or not, and I don't want to count blank values. In that case, I will be using distinct count no blank function, right? So next is, as always, this function is not supported for use in DQ mode if I am using it in calculated column or RLS rules. Now, if I go to my Power BI desktop, the same way as, for example, I in the previous tutorial, the distinct count function, we counted the order IDs, right? So for example, that time I was sure that order ID column does not contain blank values. Now some more data has been added, for let's say, and I am not sure whether blanks are inserted or not. That means this column might contain blank values. Now I want to calculate the total count, so I will be creating one measure here. Here, count of order ID without blank. So in that case, we will be using distinct count no blank function, and we have order ID as the column. If I commit it, I'll be displaying it into one uh, card. The same it is displaying because we have the same number of order IDs as the previous one. Correct. So what the difference between distinct count and distinct count no blank is, distinct count no blank does not consider blank values, but distinct count consider blanks also.